Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just realized that I have not told you guys what the 3 quick rules for variables is. So alright, let's just jump into it. So here's one that will work. This will fail. Alright, it's failing here first, but alright, you cannot start with a number. Then the other rule is you cannot have a space. And the third and final rule is you can't have a special character. So alright, and that's really it. Then everything goes through nice and neat right here. So here we are, let's check it. Then x underscore 1, and that's the way you read that underscore. His underscore car and who. So can't start with a number, can have a number in it but can't start with it, can't have a space, and can't have a special character. So those are the simple rules for variables. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time, guys.